So here we are over at the computer, and we're going to talk about how we can create this floating tree. Now, what you're seeing here is one of my trees. As you can see, this is the Henley Knox family tree, and we're going to create a floating tree that exists all by itself within this file. So I'm not going to have to go up here and create another tree. I'm just going to create it within this tree. So this is a three-step process. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a new person and attach it to this tree, and then we're going to disconnect it from this tree, and then we're going to show you how to find that floating tree in your Ancestry workspace here, and then I've got a little bonus tip there at the end to help you find it a little easier. All right, so here's how we're going to do this. We're going to pick on Mary Jane Money here. It doesn't matter who I create this first profile. So the idea is I'm going to create that profile of my friend. We're going to create this friend, okay? So let's pretend for a moment. Now we're working on a research project and we keep seeing this friend pop up, or we're assuming it's a friend. We don't know. We keep seeing this name pop up, and this person keeps popping up in different records. And so we're going to trace this person so that we can have a better understanding of how this person relates to our ancestors. Okay, so we're going to create this profile, but we can attach it to anybody in the tree. It really doesn't matter who we attach it to, because we're going to turn around and disconnect it just as soon as we attach it. So we're going to use Mary Jane Money because she is just close. And so what we need to do is click into her profile. And once we're in her profile, we can add a person. You've got the add button right here. We can add a person. It doesn't matter who we add. It really doesn't, because we're going to turn around and disconnect that relationship. So let's just create a son. Okay, so I'm going to call this person friend, and I'm going to call the last name Test. So I absolutely know that this is bogus. And the person is male and is deceased. It really doesn't matter, okay? So note that it's attaching also to the parents, so we need to pay attention to that. All right, so this is going to end up being a son of Mary Jane Money. If we take a look at Mary Jane Money and we scroll down, we see that this new person is attached here. So now what we want to do is go to the friend, the test person that I'm creating here. So this is going to be the person that you are tracing. This is a fan club member. Hey, we're going to get back to that video here in just a moment, but I want to let you know that Genealogy TV has a website, a newsletter, and a Facebook page. Links for all of that are in the show notes below. All right, let's get back to it. And what we want to do is we want to go up to edit, and we want to edit relationships. So now we're going to disconnect friend test from everybody in the tree. So once we're here, it shows that he has a father who's biological. We're going to hit this X to remove that relationship. See, we're editing the relationships. We're going to remove Mary Jane Money. Remove. So now there's nobody left in this list. Our person named Friend Test is no longer associated with anybody. So if we come over here and we view it in the tree, we can see that this person is sitting out here all by themselves. They're floating in space in your same tree. This is the same tree I've been working in. But this person is detached.